But since getting the news that we can get the blower kit over to my guy, and we'll have a CTSV lid, the boring gray, you know, color. So I actually want to get that powder coated. I've already got Precision Paint and Body here. They'll be able to do a powder coat and design for me. So I'm about to go grab the lid, take it over there to them, try to get it in and see if they can get it powder coated for me, so it'll look nice sitting under the hood. But yeah, let's go check out the lid and the kit. What's this trash bag doing here? Anyway, so you can tell by my attire that I am at work. So I'm taking my lunch break to get this over to him. This is the kit that I picked up in Nacogdoches. I got it sitting out here in the garage with all my other car stuff, my cleaning supplies, my blower, the box where they put my stock springs in when I swapped them out from the King Springs. But anyway, this is the blower. Move these gaskets. Does have the, I don't know how to say it, -12 AN fitting adapter. But as you can see, it's not the prettiest. Got some cosmetic things going on with it, but does have a reinforced brick. So we're going to get that into my truck and get that loaded up. There's the belt. There's a box of bolts, and in this box under here is the blower and some other miscellaneous stuff. Just loading everything up. About to take it to my boy Nick T. I ain't gonna say his full name for disclosure reasons, but he's a beast at what he does, and told him to take his time on it. In the process of, you know, moving out of this house anyway, so a couple weeks, even 3 weeks is fine. I'll be doing a lot of stuff with the house. This will probably be the last time. This will be the last time this car even sees this garage. That's crazy. So we won't be here anymore. But yeah, I'm excited. I haven't even looked at this yet, really. It's bagged up pretty good, but through the plastic I can definitely tell that's the LSA right there. Kong ported Stage X. There's gaskets. Man, I'm ready. All right, we're ready to go. The cam kit, it's gonna be a Rick Crawford racing cam. It's on its way in, but he said he wanted to go ahead and get started, get everything laid out. He's real meticulous with everything he does. He's a great technician, so I'm excited. Guess I need to grab my garage door opener. Right now I'm actually going down to meet my wife. Then she's going to follow me to his shop, and I'll ride back with her. I don't think y'all have even seen me drive this thing yet. All right, let's start her up. Get some AC going or something. Just get some air flowing. All right. Check engine light is on, of course, because of O2 sensors. The headers are in, out of tune, so I definitely have babied and barely driven this thing because of that. Get our garage closed. So yeah. See if I can drive this thing with one hand. Sounds amazing. Absolutely amazing. Riding in silence, man, it's a habit when it sounds like this. But yeah, like I said, I'm excited. Cam kit's on the way. The LSA kit actually did not come with an intake, so I have ordered an intake. Y'all see that when it gets in, I'll get it over to the shop. Did not come with a heat exchanger. So I ordered a Track Attack Weapon X heat exchanger. They say it's the best in the business. Huge heat exchanger, so big that the intake company was like, I don't even know if that's going to work. It should, but that's a huge heat exchanger. And then also, anyway, I can't remember what else they come with, but the lid, remember, is getting painted over at the paint shop. So I can't wait to see what that looks like. So he won't have the lid either. So yeah, and then the cam will be in. So yeah, I gotta put two hands on this thing and catch up with you guys later.